In this lesson, we will solve question number 14, 15 and 16th of exercise 1.2 linear inequalities in one variable. So question number 14, we have 3 into 2 minus x plus 6 is less than 4x plus 3. So simple. So see, here we have parenthesis and we have 3 in front of the parenthesis. So you have to multiply with this 3 one by one. First we will multiply by 2, 3 2 times 6, and then is this negative sign, and then 3 multiplied by x, which is x. This is complete. There is no need to multiply 3 and 6 because these are two different terms, right? And positive 6 will remains the same. Then this lesser than 4x plus 3. Now we have to take the transpose. See, this is negative 3x will remains the same, but this is positive 4x on the other side, right hand side of the inequality sign. We have to bring it on the left hand side, so the sign will change. This is called the transpose. Is less than positive 3 will remains the same. This is positive, this is positive. On the right hand side both will be negative. So it will be negative 7x is less than 3 minus 12. Again one more step, negative 7x is less than 3 minus 12 is equal to negative 9. So do not cancel these two negative, you have to divide it by negative 7. Here same thing with negative 7, these two will cancel. X, right here we divide by negative 7 both sides, so this inequality will change, so it will be 9 over 7, and this is our answer, and these two will cancel now. Question number 15, now we have a parenthesis on the right hand side, so left hand side will remains the same. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16 minus 4 3 times 12x. Next step, we have to take the transpose. 3x, this is negative 12x, so on the left hand side it will be positive 12x is greater than 16 minus 2, so which is equal to 15x is greater than 14. 16 minus 2 is equal to 14. So here we have to divide both sides with positive 15. If we divide it by or multiply with the positive, so there is no need to switch the sign, it will remains the same. So x is greater than 14 over 15. This is our answer. 16 question, both sides we have the parenthesis, no problem, one by one we will solve. First will be 4r plus 2, because you can write down any variable a, b, c, r, s, x, y, z, whatever you want. So 2 times 4 r plus 2, it will be negative 6r negative 8, which is greater than equal to 3r plus 5. So see, we have negative, only negative in front of the parenthesis, so all the signs inside the parenthesis will change. Now we will take the transpose. 4r, this is negative 6r will remains the same. On the left hand side, this is 3r, it will be negative 3r on the other side. Positive r will be negative r on the other side. Only we have positive 5, negative 4 on the right hand side. But here we have this positive 2 and negative 8. Take the transpose, it will be negative 2 and positive 8. So this is positive, all are negative, it will be 4r negative 10r is greater than equal to 13, because this is positive and this is positive, these two are negative, this is 6. So it will be negative 6r is greater than equal to 13 minus 6, which is equal to 7. So here we have to divide it by both sides with negative 6, negative 6, this will cancel r. So see again, here we have divide both sides with negative 6, so this sign will change to less than equal to negative 7 over 6, and this is our answer. So we have solved question number 14, 15 and 16. If you have any question, without any hesitation you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.